single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheena. I hope you guys liked my first video. Just in case you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you know whenever my next video is up. And if you're already following my channel, thank you very much. So guys, this video is all about my first baby step towards creating this first makeup look. I am very excited about it. Let's quickly get into it and see how did I do it step by step. ऑलराइट गाइज, मैंने अपना फेस ऑलरेडी क्लेंस कर लिया है. आई कैन शेयर माई क्लेंजिंग टोनिंग मॉइस्चराइजिंग रूटीन सेपरेटली, बट ऑफ कैमरा अभी मैंने अपना फेस क्लेंस कर लिया है एंड आई हैव रब्ड लिटिल आइस ऑन माई फेस. राइट नाउ पोस्ट क्लेंजिंग माई नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप इज मॉइस्चराइजिंग. सो मॉइस्चराइजर दैट आई एम यूजिंग इज ऑफ न्यूट्रोजेना ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर विच इज SPF 15. I've just taken few drops. I'm gonna put little dots all over my face. This is a very nice moisturizer. People who have oily skin, acne prone skin या आपकी sensitive skin है, please try this moisturizer. This is really nice. It really moisturizes your skin. I moisturized my face now pretty well. After moisturizing, I'm gonna prep my skin up with primer. Again, the primer that I'm using is Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. So again, I've taken few drops of my primer. Primer basically, why do we put primer is that it definitely preps your skin up. कई बार आपकी skin पे pores होते हैं, you have fine lines, alright. It kind of creates a nice base. Now after primer, I am coming to my next product, which is foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color Warm Nude 128. Alright, I've taken few drops of foundation and again I'm gonna put it all over my skin. Okay, now I'll be using this beauty blender everybody. This beauty blender is wet. मैंने इसको गीला करके अच्छे से इसका पानी squeeze कर लिया है. Reason why I'm using a wet beauty blender is कि it will help, you know, blend my product really well. Now there is another tip for everybody, especially for beginners while they are blending, because people like me who are beginners in this makeup thing. So मेरे को कब पता चलेगा कि my blending is done? Whenever I feel that my blending is done, I got to do another round for another few seconds. And done. Once we are done with that, now I'm gonna use my concealer. Concealer की stick से I'm directly gonna use it. I'm using my mirror here. Now I have little shadows under my eyes. I'm gonna put it here. High points choose किए हैं अपने face के, where I want to conceal. Again, I'll be using this beauty blender which is wet and I'm gonna help my product. All right. I have given another extra seconds to blend the product on my face. Now next product that I'm using is my compact, which is Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Natural Ivory. Now with this compact I'm gonna seal the areas जहाँ पे मैंने conceal किया. इससे क्या होगा, मेरा जो concealer है it will get locked और वो cakey नहीं होगा. जब मैंने ये वाले एरियाज अपने लॉक कर लिए nicely, now I'm gonna slightly put it all over my before I go and contour my skin, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. It's a blush brush basically, which I will be using to kind of wipe off the extra compact which I had additionally put, you know, under my eyes and all over my face. To contour basically I am using my eyeshadow palette. जैसे कि मैंने last video में बताया था, I have not purchased a separate contour kit, you know, to keep my products under budget. Hence I am using this kit and I'll be using this color on my face to contour. Alright, मैं ये every product that I take, so that it doesn't come much, I'm gonna dust it off a little. Starting from my hairline, I'm gonna create a line here. Okay, I'm gonna use a mirror for myself so that I see that what I'm doing. All right, now why am I starting from my hairline is, कभी भी मैं अपना प्रोडक्ट ब्रश पे लेके आई विल नॉट पुट इट ओवर माई चीक्स राइट अवे, क्योंकि वो उस प्रोडक्ट को एग्जैक्टली वहीं पे डिपॉजिट कर देगा, विच विल नॉट लुक नाइस. ऑलराइट, एंड वी वांट कि वो ब्लेंडेड दिखे, वो एक हार्श लाइन ना दिखे, ब्लेंडेड दिखे. इट शोज दैट you have created a structure on your face but in a very nice blended manner. It's done. I will do my brows now. So first I'm gonna comb my brows in an upward I want to keep my features very, very natural. All right, to do that I am using this brown color for my brows. Last video में I think मैंने इस product का description नहीं दिया था. I will put the link of this particular product also in my current video. Now to do my brows, I'm not gonna color it off. I'm just gonna fill little gaps that I feel there are there, and you know, so that my look looks complete. That's all. So I'm gonna do my eyes now. Now to give you a nice basic look on eyes, what I'm gonna do is, from the same palette, I'm gonna first take up this lightest color and give a base to my eyes. Taking this brush, okay, little fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna take the product, dust it off a little so that it doesn't give me a, you know, huge deposit at once. I'm gonna start from my crease, take it towards inside and blend it. Since it's a little fluffy brush, it will take a product little upwards also, but that's completely fine. That's the idea of taking a light color, to give you that you know, nice base. Take a little darker color now. The color that I used for my contouring, I'll be taking that color now. Now this particular color I will be applying with this brush. It will be giving me a little controlled application on my eyes, because I only want to keep it on my crease. Okay. Starting here, I'm going to deposit this product here and take it only to the crease. You see? Only to the crease. Idea is to keep it very, very natural and blended. I'm really liking this palette because it doesn't give you a bad deposit of color. It gives a very, very smooth deposit. If you look at my eye, it has really given nice pigment also, and a very smooth blend of a color. Now I'm gonna take a little more darker color again on my crease to give that little definition to the crease. Now I'm thinking of trying this color out, this one. And remember, only on the crease. I'm not gonna fill my lid with this. That's it. You see this little darker transition on the crease? That's what I intended to do. I'll do a similar thing on the other eye as well. Now when I've done this activity on both the eyes, I'm gonna again take my little fluffy brush, just wipe it over my hand without any color, and I'm gonna blend all the colors really nice. Now to complete my look, I'm gonna take little glittery shade, and this shade is just to be deposited on the lids, very, very little. I will not be blending it. Next, I'll be using this eyeliner, which is from the brand Faces Canada. Now to complete my eye look, I'm gonna take same color, the base color which I had used on the lids of my eyes, with this little compact brush, and I'm gonna use that color on the lower portion of my eye as well. So you see, I've deposited this color on the lower side of my eye, and I'm gonna repeat the activity on the other side. Coming on to cheeks. Now, this was a tricky product. I brought this product thinking that it's gonna be a blush. It is a face sheer. So it's just give you a little shine in a rosy color. And it gives you a little sheer on your face rather than, turning your cheeks red. All right, next product is the lipstick. All right, guys, in my last video, I had shown you Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Rosy Lips, but I am not using this lipstick right now because when I was practicing this look, this lipstick didn't go well. Instead of that, I'm using this old lipstick of mine. I am really sorry, I do not know the brand that it is from right now, but this is how the shade looks like, and it really went well with this look. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, to complete this look, now I'm gonna use my highlighter again from the brand Nykaa, like I showed you in my last video. For this particular look, I will be using the first silver tone. Seal my entire makeup with my Ultimate Pro makeup fixer. This is again from the brand Faces Canada. And we are done. Let's take a final look. So guys, this is the final look which I created. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this look. This was my first attempt ever. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Please stay connected to my channel because I will be coming back with many more looks in the future. So guys, I will try to keep my looks as simple as possible because I am a beginner myself and I do not want to create very heavy looks and something which I myself is not able to do it. So I am gonna definitely practice it well and come back with another new look soon. And this channel will be all about beginners makeup guide as well as your skincare routine. So stay tuned. Till then, bye.